Hey guys, if you are just joining me, the live has ended, but you can still enter for your chance to win your very own custom mystery box, and that winner will be announced tomorrow morning, and I am so excited to show you guys a brand new mystery box from Cricut. So with this box, you get a lot of vinyl, and of course that's what we all need, right? But what is so beautiful about this box is that they're all like spring colors. They are super beautiful, and the coolest part about this video is if you share this video, and I will say a lot of groups don't allow sharing, so if you just want to share it onto your personal Facebook page, you will see, let me see if I can get to comments. Yes, I can see your comments now. If you will share this onto your personal page and follow the instructions below or on this description, you can win your very own customized box from Cricut, and who knows what will be inside, but I can tell you that it will be about $100 value, and that will be shipped out to you from Cricut. It will be your very own mystery box. So before we get jumping in and show you what's inside, this box is called March Madness, and I think that it's very properly named because Cricut has gone crazy with these boxes this month. They don't usually release this many surprises. Thank you, Courtney. Hey, Kenzie. They usually don't give away this many surprises, this many boxes, this much material, and so March Madness is the time to stock up. This box, before I show you, is about just under $80 value, but you get it on sale for $29.99, and if you use the coupon code Holli Crafts, just add a few items to your cart, make it $50, you get 10% off plus free shipping. So that just gives me, you know, a reason to tell you to buy more, because you know we always need to buy more. So let me show you what's inside this box. You get 6 rolls of permanent vinyl, but they also have some vinyl in the extra rolls. So the first one you get is this Parchment, and this is 12 by 48. I think they're all 12 by 48, and then the sampler pack is 12 by 12. So that's usually the case. If you get these rolls, you can find right here what's inside. If it says 1, you just get the one color of the vinyl that's inside, but if you have a sampler pack, I'll show you that in just a second. It'll show you the difference in the contents inside. So this is premium vinyl. It's permanent. It tells you up at the top. Sometimes it may be matte. This is permanent glossy. This Parchment is perfect. It's a beautiful nude neutral, and I really like neutral colors. So this Parchment is not something that I would think to buy for myself, but I find myself using it in a lot of accent pieces, which is a lot of fun because that's what these mystery boxes are. Is it may not be something that you think to buy for yourself, but once you treat yourself and get these boxes, you find them using it more and more. So all of these are the brand new vinyl. It's the reformulated vinyl. It lays flatter and smoother. I always get less bubbles with this vinyl. It's just a lot easier to work with, and anything that you get in this box is the redone formula. It's the new formula. So that's the Parchment that you get, and it is beautiful. And then you get this yellow. I'm not a yellow person usually, and I think to myself, like, if I was out at a shop, I would not buy yellow, but I find myself doing more flowers now that we are getting with spring. Yeah, Kenzie, the new formula is great. So this yellow, like I said, is really good for accent colors, especially with flowers and spring coming up. It is beautiful to lay on. So then here comes, let me do the rest of the one. Then you get the mint. This one's my favorite. The mint vinyl is beautiful because it's not quite a turquoise, and it's a very unique shade of blue. I like it a lot. Let me open it up, and I'll also show you guys how much you get with this 1 by 48. It lasts a while. So this is the mint. Yes, the mint is so beautiful. This is the mint, but let me show you how much you get. This is how much vinyl you are going to get with one roll. This is absolutely huge. And this is going to last you a while. Even if you craft as much as I craft, which is every day, literally, it's going to last you a while. But this mint is such a beautiful color. Even if you just use it as, I've been using vinyl as accents in my Cricut, in my craft space. You know, just to hang, well, I'll show you guys. Just to hang vinyl with. And so I love to color coordinate these colors, and this is beautiful to change my board up for spring. I've had it kind of, you know, fall, warm colors, but this is a beautiful color. Okay, next is one of the best staples, and it is silver. It's the 12 by 48 again, and it's a beautiful shade of silver. It's permanent glossy. It's the new formula. It is so easy to work with, but not easy for me to open with this piece of tape. I love you too, Mama. Yeah, so if you guys ever want to leave this live and just jump on and buy you this mystery box, they usually do sell out. We just don't know when. It depends on how many boxes are sold. So this is not something that you just want to wait on or think about. Go ahead and tell your husbands that somebody said that you had to buy it. I give you permission. So I love this silver too. It is a beautiful color, and this is great by itself or with accents. So that's 4 rolls of the permanent vinyl that you get, and then you get sample packs. So this first sample pack is called Summer Sampler, and when you're out shopping at the store, this shows you right here, you get 6 sheets, and they are 12 by 12. And then it shows you the colors that you get. Let's see. I just want to make sure that I'm doing, yes, yep. So this is, let me show you what comes inside this one. And these are great too, like I said, because if you have a, sorry for the pause, if you have a pegboard like me, this will hang right on your pegboard. So if you don't have anything to hang your vinyl on, this will be perfect with that. So you get this beautiful shade. Let's see, it tells you this is permanent glossy. So all of the rolls that you get are permanent. You get this beautiful blue. You get this, I think this one might be my favorite. I don't know, this or the mint. This royal purple, which is just absolutely beautiful. Then you get just springtime colors, y'all. You get the pink, the blue, and the yellow. So these are so pretty too, and they are permanent. So these are meant to last. The great thing about this permanent vinyl is that I've been putting them on my coffee cups that I make without epoxy. If I just want to throw one of our SVGs or one of the Cricut Access images onto a coffee mug just for a social media post or just to make something for a friend or a family member, I have been throwing them in the washing machine, or not the washing machine. Don't throw your vinyl, don't throw your cups in the washing machine. That's not advisable. But I have thrown in the dishwasher and they last and last and last. And with this permanent vinyl, I have not had any come off yet. And so that's great because it lasts even without epoxy. You don't just have to have epoxy to make these beautiful cups. Even if you just find a beautiful tumbler like at Walmart or something and you like the color of the tumbler and you don't want to work with epoxy, this permanent has held up for me time and time again in my dishwasher. So the next one that you get is the Pastels sampler, and I am a sucker for pastels. Pastel colors are my favorite. I'm not really a neon kind of girl. I'm just all about pastels, especially in my shop and in any decorations that I do. And you get, again, the 6 sheets of 12 by 12. And I know that the wording may be backwards to you guys, but I just wanted to show you how you can look at these when you're shopping at the store and know exactly what you get. Okay, so these pastels truly are beautiful. Of course, my favorite in this pack is the pink. It is a beautiful baby pink. And then you also get another shade of mint with this. You get the gray. So this one is not silver. This one is just gray. I know, Shannon, that's what's so much fun about March Madness is that we just have all of these boxes coming out, and I don't know, maybe they'll do more because I think they've gone crazy. They've gone Cricut crazy. So then you do get another yellow with this, and like I said, you wouldn't think that you're using a lot of yellow, but with spring, with doing flowers, with doing little peeps, or anything else, a sunshine, the yellow really does come in handy. And that's what, like I said, I like these boxes, is because these may not be colors that I choose to buy in the store when I'm out shopping, and these look great together. But they are colors that I need, and I didn't think that I necessarily did need. Okay, the very last thing that you get in this box is, let me go ahead and get the tape off of this, this is removable. So just because it says removable, I see it in my Craft Life group sometimes. People will say, I don't want to buy removable vinyl because I want it to last. Removable vinyl does last. It's just, it says removable because it's not gonna have that sticky residue when you pull your vinyl off. I recently redid a cup for somebody, a friend of mine that was helping us out with the shop, and he had removable vinyl on his tumbler, but I was just able to peel it off and re-stick it. So it did work on his tumbler, and it worked really well. So this is the Modern Value Pack, and it shows you that you get the 20 sheets of 12 by 12. And I unpacked it, but I'm having trouble holding it up because there are so many sheets inside of here. But you can see this sample right here. They did this on these metal flower pots, and that's a really good idea to use for removable. Anything that you want to use inside, if you want to put it on your phone case and just peel it off, for the time you do it from day one, from the time you 30 days from now, if you want to change it up, it's still going to hold strong. It's just that it's not going to have that sticky residue when it is removed. So these are also good for, let's say, wall decals. This is what I use when I do my Easter eggs. I'll put on there, it'll say faith and believe and hop and bunny on the boiled Easter eggs. Last year I did a tutorial with the Easter eggs, and I stuck the stencil on, and then we dyed them, and then I peeled the stencil off. And so the removable is perfect for stuff like that because it just peels off so easily, but it does adhere great too. This is great also for, like it says on the back, for walls, tableware, signs, and more. So let me show you guys, this is 20 sheets and they're huge. This is a matte black, and I don't know if you guys have ever tried to shop for a matte black, but they really are hard to find. And I love the matte because it gives it just kind of a charactered texture. And then another color that you get is, let's see, it looks like you get 5 sheets of this white, and it is also matte. You can see against the light it's not shiny at all or glossy. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of the gray. And I'm gonna say that it's almost, so here's the glossy gray. This gives you a good comparison. This is the glossy gray, and this is the matte gray. So you can see how glossy and shiny the gray is in the sampler pack, and then you can see the matte, and it's a little bit lighter. It's kind of like more of a taupe color, I'd say. That's not official, but that's what it looks like for me. My favorite in this pack is the blue. These are all matte. This is such a beautiful blue, and these paired together, so like, the next one is red. I feel like all of these complement each other really well. This is, let me hold this up. This is the red that comes with it. So you can see, yeah, Courtney has to have this. It's not an option. You need it. And then this is the red that goes with it, and this red is beautiful too. It's like a berry red. I don't know the exact, these come with descriptions, so I don't know the exact colors on those, but that is what you get. So you get the black, gray, navy, maroon, and white. You get 20 sheets of the 12 by 12. They are all matte, they're all removable. And then you get the, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rolls of the permanent, and some of those are sample packs. So you do get, 6 to 1 sample pack. And then the other sample pack has some too. So that is a huge value. And if you guys click the link above, you get, it does support this channel, it supports the YouTube channel, it supports the creator page. But here is what's so much fun, is that if you guys will share this video onto your personal page, I'm going to pick a winner. It'll tell me who shares, and I'm going to pick a winner to win your very own custom mystery box, and it is going to be $100 value. And so if you are watching this live, you get that exclusive offer. If you are watching on YouTube, you still get that offer. You can still enter to win. I will post my creator page so that you can go and share this. So thank you guys for hanging out with me and watching this mystery box reveal. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. Tell me if you grab a box. I'm so excited for this one. Thanks for hanging out with me, and until next time, thanks guys.